What's up, guys? How's it going? Today is a quick weekly recap. Um, I look exhausted. I had a fucking long trip last night, or yesterday actually, the whole day. I was sitting in the train to the south of France with my girlfriend. And the internet connection was also pretty bad, so that was fun. Um, and I had to do a lot of waiting, but we survived. We're here. It's beautiful out here. So I'm also not going to be too active on the charts this week, at least not as much as I want to, because I also got to explore a little bit here. Never been here before, little vacation. But yeah, let's talk about last week because last week was actually a losing week. Now you see one trade here, but that's not the only trade I took. I also took a trade, like a couple trades on my Alpha Capital accounts, my funded accounts. So let's go through them. Like I didn't take a trade on. Oh wait, let's start with Alpha Capital. So I did take a trade on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. All of those trades were losses. The main reason why, and I don't have them journaled here. I still don't understand how Alpha Capital works. But the reason why I lost all of these is because I was just trading against the market, like rock on. I was just brutal against the market. I was selfish. So I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna try to catch the reversal. That was the whole point of me placing this trade. I was like, okay, now we're gonna reverse, now we're gonna reverse, now we're gonna reverse. And this is also exactly what happened with this one. Like, now we're gonna reverse, but it didn't happen. I was trying to catch longs when the fucking market was bearish. But so, and the thing is, someone actually commented that I shouldn't place trades with more than trades with one pip, one lot size, sorry, on my 5K account because then I will blow it. I should just do 0.1 lot size per trade for now. So maybe I'm just gonna do that. Maybe I'm just too focused on, oh, how much money can I make? So I need to get over this. But this is the main reason why I lost all of these. And I can't really show you the trades right now, but they were also like, I placed a trade and within 3 to 5 minutes, I got stopped out. It was terrible. Then we have this trade. Now, I think I did journal this one. Let's see, daily journal. Yeah, I did. It was Euro USD. Again, place a trade, stopped out immediately. And you can already see it here, but we were already in a downtrend and I was just trying to catch this huge, I was just trying to catch the reversal. There was this huge, what was it? It was 5 minute fair value gap, but I think it was a 15-minute fair value gap, but looking at the size of it. And it was in the 50, yeah, no, it was a 5 minute actually, because I can see the line over here. I was like, it swept this liquidity, it entered this 5 minute fair value gap, it is still in the 50%, and then it's gonna spike up. But it didn't happen. For a matter of fact, it only continued to go lower and lower and lower. I think the reversal only got catched like a couple days later, like yesterday. And yesterday I wasn't on the market at all. I didn't trade, or I did a tiny bit of backtesting, but that's it. And yep, it reaches real quick if you want to. This is kind of like my recap and what I felt and anything. But yeah, it's gonna be a short video. I don't have much to say actually, because well, it was just a losing week, purely because I traded against the market and I just didn't listen to my own rules. I felt like every day where I actually got on the market, I had this feeling like today I'm gonna place a trade, as in I have to place a trade. But it's not true, because I don't have to place a trade. I just have to stick to my rules. If there's no trade, there's no trade. And for a matter of fact, I was only looking at longs. So I was only looking for confirmations and an edge to give me long positions. But to be honest, if I look at the market, there were so many reasons why I could have went bearish. So let me show you real quick. Just look at it. This was from Monday. It went up and I didn't really, wait, like, can I see that? What was this one? Monday was sell. Yeah, so you see, I was really trading against the market. Here, I was placing shorts. Come on. Come on. Here, I was placing shorts when it was clearly like, and I'm looking at the 1 hour time frame. I was placing shorts when it was clearly bullish, and then after that, I was placing longs when it was clearly bearish for the rest of the week. So on Monday it was, and Tuesday a little bit, but the reversal happened on Tuesday. So on Monday, half Tuesday, it was bullish. I was placing shorts, and then a reversal happened, and then I was placing longs for the rest of the days. It was really stupid, I know. So yeah, I think I placed. So I've definitely placed 4 trades that I'm showing you right now, right here. These 3 and the one on TradeZella. But I think that I placed like as well one more trade on a different account. No, I'm not sure. Maybe I placed one more trade. Doesn't really matter. So yeah, for this next week, I'm going to try to be on the charts. Today's Sunday, so today I'm not going to be doing anything much. Maybe backtesting later on in the day. Tomorrow, I don't know, how is the news looking? So let's do a quick, let's see. Okay, so tomorrow is a Japanese bank holiday, so that means that's only closed during Asia session. So that's okay. I can still trade Japanese yen pairs actually, but maybe I won't. I like Euro USD actually. I thought I didn't, but it's actually pretty doable. GBP USD, it's also looking pretty okay. It's kind of similar to the USD, Euro USD, and then we have the. Sorry, I have to do something real quick. If I look at Euro USD, it's looking pretty bearish as well. If I go to the daily, I need to do everything on my laptop right now. So yeah, we catch the reversal. We didn't. Okay, we swept these highs, so that's okay. You know, and we broke past bullish fair value gap. And if you look at the 4 hour and the 1 hour, yeah, we're clearly bearish. So I'm not going to try to catch reversals. If I'm going to place any trades, it's going to be all shorts until we see the clear reversal. And then if we go to this one, I think it's going to be exactly the same. Well, we're touching these lows, all-time lows. We didn't break past this one, so that's going to be a tricky one. Doesn't have to be, but we're clearly bullish here, bearish, sorry. So we'll see if we catch the reversal of this all-time low, and otherwise we go for longs. But for now, I'm bearish for the week. And yeah, well, quick little recap. Also, one thing. Now you see me in this, but I had a couple videos recorded already at the other place where I usually record. So yeah, you're gonna see location switching from time to time, but that should be alright. And yeah, I really need to stop trading against the market. I know this is a pretty common mistake, but I just need to push my ego aside because the market is always right. So with that being said, I'll see you on Tuesday.